Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the exact segment you want, trim to 3/8 seconds so the GIF stays small. Once chosen, open FFmpeg or your editor. I'll use both approaches. Make sure you set resolution and frame rate before exporting, lower res and 12-15 FPS cut size without ruining motion. Also decide loop behavior now. These first steps prevent rework, so get duration, frame rate, and target resolution right before you proceed to encoding. Next, you encode and optimize. With FFmpeg, you can generate a palette, then map it for accurate colors. This reduces banding. Once done, lower the color count to 128 or 64 if file size matters. You'll see savings. If using Photoshop or an online tool, export with color reduction and choose a dithering level. Too much dithering inflates size. Preview the result, then tweak FPS, scale, or color depth until you reach the visual quality and file size you need. Finally, you save the GIF and test it in target apps. Browsers, Slack, and phones can render differently. If colors look wrong, regenerate the palette or bump color depth. That fixes banding. If the file remains too large, shorten the clip, drop FPS, or lower resolution. Each change reduces size quickly. One troubleshooting tip: if playback is jerky, export with a consistent frame rate and test again. Inconsistent input FPS often causes stutter, so normalize frame timing before encoding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.